Imagine waking up in 2025 and realizing your job's already done. Emails answered, reports written, meetings scheduled, all by AI. You didn't even lift a finger. Sounds like sci-fi? It's not. It's your new reality. Today, we're diving into 5 AI tools that are quietly reshaping the job market, whether you're a freelancer, job seeker, or entrepreneur. These tools can automate your grind and give you back your time. Tool 1. Careerflow.ai. Careerflow.ai is like having a career coach, resume editor, and job tracker rolled into one sleek dashboard. It's designed for job seekers who want to stay organized and strategic. Features breakdown. Job tracker automatically logs applications, deadlines, and follow-ups. Resume optimizer suggests improvements based on job descriptions. LinkedIn integration autofills applications and tracks recruiter engagement. Use case. Meet Sarah. She's applying to 30 jobs a week. Careerflow helps her track every application, tailor each resume, and even reminds her to follow up. Result? 3 interviews in 10 days. Bonus tip. Use Careerflow's analytics to see which resumes perform best. It's like A/B testing your job hunt. Tool 2. LoopCV. LoopCV is your job hunting autopilot. You set your preferences, location, salary, job type, and it applies to jobs for you every single day. Features breakdown. Automated applications sends out resumes daily. Custom filters choose industries, roles, and keywords. Performance reports tracks which applications get responses. Use case. Jake's working full-time but wants a better role. LoopCV applies to jobs while he sleeps. Within 2 weeks, he landed 4 interviews without lifting a finger. Bonus tip. Combine LoopCV with Careerflow to track and optimize your applications in real time. Tool 3. Sonara.ai. Sonara.ai is your resume whisperer. It doesn't just tweak your resume, it tailors it to each job post. That means higher chances of getting noticed by recruiters and bots alike. Features breakdown. AI resume matching analyzes job descriptions and adapts your resume. Keyword optimization adds relevant terms to pass ATS filters. Performance analytics tracks which resumes get callbacks. Use case. Priya's applying to competitive tech roles. Sonara helps her tailor each resume in minutes. She goes from ghosted to booked interviews. Bonus tip. Use Sonara to build multiple resume versions for different industries, marketing, tech, finance, and switch them on demand. Tool 4. Jobscan. Jobscan helps you beat the bots. Most companies use applicant tracking systems, ATS, to filter resumes. Jobscan compares your resume to the job description and tells you exactly what to fix. Features breakdown. ATS simulation shows how your resume performs against job filters. Keyword suggestions highlights missing terms. Formatting tips ensures your resume is bot-friendly. Use case. Carlos keeps getting rejected. Jobscan shows he's missing key phrases like data visualization and SQL. He updates his resume and lands a role in 3 weeks. Bonus tip. Use Jobscan before every major application. It's like having an ATS decoder ring. Tool 5. ChatGPT. Last but not least, ChatGPT. It's not just a chatbot. It's your writing assistant, brainstorming buddy, and productivity booster. Features breakdown. Content generation. Emails, proposals, reports, scripts, idea brainstorming, marketing campaigns, business plans, video ideas. Workflow automation. Pair with Zapier or N8N to automate tasks. Use case. Lena runs a small agency. She uses ChatGPT to write client emails, generate blog posts, and even script YouTube videos. Her productivity triples. Bonus tip. Use ChatGPT with N8N to automate content creation and posting. It's like having a virtual assistant that never sleeps. These tools aren't just cool, they're practical. They're helping people land jobs, save time, and even run businesses with minimal effort. The future of work isn't coming. It's already here. Whether you're looking for your next job or building your brand, these tools can give you a serious edge. The key? Learn how to use them strategically. Which AI tool would you trust with your job? Drop a comment below. And if you want more smart tools and automation hacks, hit that subscribe button and join the WorkWise automation movement.